Whatever that was is completely gone. Is that a gas main? Wow. Holy shit. Wow, look at that fucking van over there took a hit. Yeah, don't get put in that building, was there? No idea, man. I was over here cutting my grass. I saw the fireball in the air. As soon as it exploded, I turned my head, man.
I was sitting right across the street here in my buddy's shop, man.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, racked the truck. I thought.
Wow. What's that hissing?
That's a gas line, bro.
Yeah.
See it back there?
Yeah, I see it. What the hell? Do you guys remember what building, what kind of building that was?
No, I don't. I'm not. There's something around here.
And look at the brick clean out to the road here. Yeah, that's. Is that clothing?
Huh?
Is that red and white? Right in there.
It looks like it.
Yeah, they're gonna have flat tires in just a minute.
Oh no, they run on those they run
no
flats,
flat, run flats?
Yeah.
There's probably a buildup of gas if it's a gas main.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take pictures, hell.
Fucking eating right around the corner.
I was cutting the grass. Watch this thing just go.
You guys know that was an abandoned building, right?
I don't know. That's what we were just trying to find out.
Can't remember what it was. I live right here and I don't remember what it was. I thought it was a gas station. Saw it go. Oh man. What the hell is this over here? I mean, this shit is just fucking everywhere.